guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chloe Brown. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel down below and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Today I'm going to show you guys this hairstyle. Now I know this is just like a flat ironed hair, whatever, just a regular straight hairstyle, except for the fact we got this little bad boy going on. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve this bigger bang look that you guys asked for. I hope all my little tips and tricks will help you guys at home achieve this look as well. So here we go, straight into the tutorial. All right, we're going to talk about the big bang. Not like that, but we are going to talk about how I get that big bang swoop in the front. Right here, I'm gonna just show you a real quick segment of how I blow dry my bang area. So first I blow dry it under, blow dry it like that, and then put the heat on to cool. So the cooling setting really allows your hair to, I guess, cure in that space that you want it. And when it's hot, it's movable. You can move it, but when it's cold, it kind of just stays where you have left it. When it's parted down the middle, it looks like this. So it's a little raised and lifted just right at the front. That's what we need for that big bang, okay? All right, so this tutorial is gonna be super easy. I'm literally just gonna be flat ironing my hair. I don't really know if I need to teach you guys how to flat iron hair, but what I used before I blow dried my hair was Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum, like always, and a little bit of heat protector. So today I used the Multi-Flex by Croc. Now I'm going to be putting this is my new classic infrared flat iron. This is my holy grail. I tried and true. You guys know this. It's probably annoying by now, but I still get questions all the time. I'm going to set it to 340 degrees, okay? And we're just gonna flat iron everything into my head. I don't like to get it super flat on the bottom because I do like a little lift underneath. If you just want to flat iron your hair, like air dry it and then flat iron, you could do that too. You just kind of take your flat iron, and the reason why I really like this one is it's really small or thin. And you just place it right at your scalp, and you kind of just like, you know, rotate it out a little bit to add that lift. Okay, my setup's a bit awkward today. I didn't feel like setting up everything. I'm kind of in a rush. I need to get my daughter from school, so I am crunch time. But I promised you guys that I would make a tutorial. And that's my dog in the background. Hi, Ollie. Okay, so I usually flat iron in 3 to 4 sections. The top section is what I truly focus on. Everything else I kind of just loosely do it, especially since I blow dried my hair and I use the round brush. I don't need to do a ton. I just need to do a little polishing because my hair is pretty dense. There's a lot of hair in here, even though I've had it thinned out so much. It just kind of frays out just a little bit, so I want to add that silky finish to it. All right, third and final section. So I'm gonna leave the front out. We're just gonna flat iron everything very loosely up here. Add that slight polish. I'm gonna flat iron these front sections. I really don't like them to curl under. I like them to be a little more straight. But everything else I like flipped under. Just find that I like that front section just straight, but everything else I like rounded under. Okay, now for this section, I'm gonna just really emphasize that push out. So I'm gonna take the tiniest section right here, and we are going to put our flat iron right up against the root. Straighten it out, pull it down. Let it cool right there. And this will just give us that lift. I know that sounds weird to like push everything forward, but it's kind of how I figured out how to do it. Right there at the root, push it down. Okay. Let it cool just like this. All right. There we go. So now there's more emphasis on it coming out. That's what we want. All right, I think I'm done with the flat ironing portion. I don't really see anything else that needs to be smoothed down. I'm still gonna keep my flat iron on, but I'm gonna put it to 300 just because I know I'm gonna wanna tweak these bad boys right here. So we're just gonna keep it just like this. Whenever I wear my hair straight, I do like to add some tease just in that back because it could start to look like a mushroom. And what I mean by that is just it kind of goes round at the top and then goes like this. So we want it to be more round. So what I like to do is just add some sort of texture spray. Today I'm going to use the bedroom hair. Another one that's really good. This one's really hard to find online. Oh, it tasted so, is that weird? It tasted really good. But the texture spray, the beach spray, I think it's called High Tide from Sexy Hair is amazing, and that is available at Ulta. So I'll put that link down below as well. So I like to just put a little texture spray in there just to add a little grit because my hair is silky since it is straight, and we are just going to lightly tease. And I don't mean like get right in there. Like usually, you know, I like to get a lot of tease right in there. I'm just gonna lightly tease my hair. So go at the top, just kind of brush down, just so it gives a little bit of full tease in there. We don't want it super concentrated, we just want a really nice rounded lift. So when you tease your hair, don't hold it out like this and then tease it. You want to hold it straight up. Okay, see? Big old body. Same thing on this side. And the reason why I style my hair down the middle first is that's kind of how I feel like I get my big part. I don't know any other way to explain it, but now if your hair doesn't hold a tease very well, spray in between. So spray each section, tease, and then kind of let it sit. And then I just brush out the top layer. You can use your fingers too. Get your fingers in there, loosen up exactly where you want it to be loose. All right, there we go with that. It's good enough. Okay, now I'm gonna take some hairspray. I'm gonna take the Aveda Air Control hairspray. You can use any type of light hold hairspray. I highly recommend light hold. And we're gonna take this front section of bang and we are going to tease it to the side. And this one is gonna be concentrated. So I'm gonna bring that tease all the way down, get that tease right in there, and then spray it. This section I am going to spray in the front because I really like that to just lay right there. And then spray it. Flip that over, don't touch it. I'm gonna tease this one this way, concentrate it with a little few long teases. Spray. Flip over this way, okay? This section, I'm not gonna tease. That is gonna be my pretty section. So once everything is set, I like to run my brush just right through here very gently. Run my fingers as well. And then I will bring all of this over as I feel like it would be naturally, okay? So see how it kind of does this and brings it in the front? I have a pretty big forehead, so that's why I do that. I just like it to, I don't know, frame my face rather than just like fully show my whole forehead. You will have some strays just like this, don't worry. Take that light hold hairspray, spray it on there again, let it set. Fix everything else. So I'm just gonna make sure everything's really sitting nicely. Tuck this section. I just like tucking. So when everything is set into place exactly how you want it, take some medium to high hold hairspray. Now I really like using the Aveda Fermata. This is like the liquid stuff. You know what I mean? Like when we were younger, I just put 2 sprays there, take the medium hold, just spray that front bang. I really don't think I need to edit anything. Usually I would just like flat iron this section, but I don't need to. I think it looks pretty okay. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it encouraged you to know that the big bang is not as hard as it looks, and it's something that I find that sticks all day because of that really strong hold hairspray. I mean, like, nobody can really mess this guy up. And let me tell you, if it gets a little messed up during the day, just carry like a mini hairspray in your purse, tug all this kind of like out more, and then spray it again. So all that needs to do is just, we need to reinforce no gravity in our hair. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.